Why is thorough upholstery cleaning required to remove stains? All professional upholstery cleaners in Melbourne clean the fibres thoroughly to remove stains. In fact, thorough cleaning is required for stain removal since 1. It helps in dissolving the stains quickly. 2. It can dissolve stubborn marks. 3. It makes the entire process more efficient. 4. It helps achieve the best results. At Best Carpet Cleaning Melbourne, we have the best upholstery cleaners in Melbourne who clean these coverings meticulously. We are awarded as the best carpet and upholstery cleaners in Melbourne by Australian Enterprise. Call now 1-800-960-244. Mail at info@bestcarpetcleaningmelbourne.com. Visit us bestcarpetcleaningmelbourne.com.